Today's challenge is to hug as many animals as I can. For every hug I give, St. Jude gets $10. We have over 100 animals here. Hi, Willis. Maybe we can make Willis our first hug. Oh, he's so soft. I do have a secret weapon, big bag of M&Ms. Oh, we already have a taker. Who wants a hug? Boss wants a hug. Wow. This is good hugs. Come here, ducks. Come here. This is gonna be easy. Crystal. Come here. Anna. In the lap. There we go. All I have to do is just sit here. They come to me. I didn't give you a hug. Come here, Bill. Come on, Bill. Aw, there we go. Not so bad. Thank you. Oh. Yes.